Assalamualaikum. My name is Muhammad Afifuddin bin Muhammad Farid. We are from Aquamarine Group. Today, we would like to present to you our group project named Foldable Card. Okay, next we go to our group member. For the first one is me, Muhammad Afifuddin bin Muhammad Farid. For the next one is Siti Nurul Aini binti Ahmad Raslan. And the next one is Muhammad Fikri bin Zainuddin. For the fourth one is Nur Farisha Syamini binti Muhammad Fazil. For the last one is Muhammad Syakir bin Muhammad Rizani. For our introduction, people usually use wheelbarrow to collect all the fruit at the garden. We know that it can help the user, however, the user still need to use extra energy when using it. Due to the problem, our group member have designed a new product that surely will help to solve the problem. Fruit Foldable Card is a unique product that has been planned by our group member. The product comes with a few parts of component design that surely will provide user more comfort and easy to use it. The project is more focused for people who want to collect fruit and by using more energy and save their time. Thank you.
Next, we continue with detail and completeness of design. This is the isometric view of final concept, top view, front view, and side view. Next, we proceed with part layout. The base frame and front frame, foldable linker and back frame, handle and DC motor, caster wheel and brake, side beam 1 and side beam 2, connector beam 1 and connected beam 2, battery and shaft, shaft sprocket and motor sprocket, cantilever brake, hinge 1, 2, 3 and 4. Next, we proceed with front drawing. Let's have a look at the detailed drawings. This is the base frame, front frame, foldable linker, back frame, handle, foldable hinge left, foldable hinge right, DC motor, caster wheel, brake handle right, brake handle left, side beam 1, side beam 2, connected beam 1 and connected beam 2, battery, shaft sprocket, motor sprocket, inner link of the chain, outer link of the chain, cantilever brake. That's it.
Next is the functionality of a product based on the customer needs. The first important need is the price, which is affordable to purchase a product. The second one is convenience to use as it does not require a lot of effort. The third one is reliability, which is less maintenance and reliable function every time customer want to use the product. Other than that is the design. The stick design make it relatively easy and intuitive to use. And the last one is the performance of a product, which can be used for a long time period. For feasibility of our design, which is technology feasibility, competitor and cost. Let me describe about a technology feasibility first. We made an innovation from wheelbarrow that has tri-wheel tire to four-wheel tire for our product. Our product also used an electric motor to move the cart. The second one is the competitor. Nowadays, the competitor that available in market has a product that has a tri-wheel tire, does not have an electric motor, and cannot be folded compared to our product. And the last one is the cost. Even our product is slightly high on the market due to the material that we use, which is mild steel, that is high in strength and prevents rustiness.
Next, we proceed with engineering analysis. We have choose the base frame to analysis by using ANSYS software. Here the result. The first diagram shows the total deformation. Second diagram is equivalent point mices. And lastly, safety factor of the base frame.
So here I will explain about the DFMA. As we can see in the slide, this is our final concept for our product. The first one is the handle part. Based on the figure 1, the handle has many parts of component. So we assemble all of them by using nuts and bolts. Then we attach it to front storage by using welding technique. The second one is the storage part, which is behind and front. Based on the figure 2, there is a slot at the behind storage in order to make connection with the handle. The handle will be attached to it by using welding technique. Besides, there are also steel at the bottom of the front and behind storage that has been welded in order to make connection with the tires. Okay, the third one is the edge part. From figure 3, the connection between the foldable linker is by using bolt and nuts. Besides, it can be folded if the users want to do it. The next one is the connector from motor to wheel. From figure 4, we combine the tires with the pulley with rope by using bolt and nuts. From 2 sprocket, it can be reduced to 1 sprocket when shaft just be placed at the same level of the tire. The last one is motor place. Based on the figure 5, we can see that the steel plate need to be combined with the behind frame storage. The function of the steel plate is placing the DC motor. Both of them are combined with the bolt and nuts.
For your information, occurrence refers to how frequently the specific failure mode will be observed. Detection is the probability that the current process control will detect the failure mode before the part or component leaves the process. Severity is an assessment of seriousness, the effect of failure mode in the customer, and RPN is risk priority number. So the first task is welding of joints. There are 3 failure modes, which is an insufficient welding size that give effect crack in welding joints and cause from those not meet required weld size. Second, failure stress ratio effect porosity that caused by environment or improper shielding. Third is undercut effect improper size weld that caused by poor welding technique. Second task is fabric. There are 2 failure mode, which is durability, the effect tone that caused by thickness of material, then zip failure effect hatching trick that caused by quality of fabric and untidy swing. Thirdly is power source. There are 2 failure mode, which is power component effect, take the burn force of operating of the power supply caused by improper heat sinking or thermal management. Secondly is environmental cause effect corrosive, the electronic caused by moisturized increase. Fourth is tire, also have 2 failure mode. First is type of tire effect bearing failure and caused by bending shaft. Last but not least is surface ground effect, tire often worn out caused by operating environment.
Okay, so this is human factor. In our project, our group members also consider the human factor as our design parameter. Fruit foldable cart can minimize human power to collect the fruit, and it provides the users an easier way without using a lot of energies. Besides, we also consider the risk of the worker from the injuries like back pain and so on. So we design it to make sure that the user is more comfortable. The product that we design is use motor in order to help it to move, and the users can control it without need to pull it. Our product can be folded in order to provide the users an easier way to pull, as it can reduce energy when using it. There is also a brake in our product. The collectors can control the fruit foldable cart without any problem to stop it. This shows that we make safety factor as our main priority. We also boost efficiency and productivity, increase the quality of job and increase productivity relative to human power. Lastly, our product is very user-friendly. All of this because our product is easy to use by human and all people of generation.
Okay, we go to the component. There are 4 sub-assembles within the complete assemblies, such as body frame, well holder, handle, and fruit foldable storage. Both components will be imported and processed in FKM laboratory. Based on the table, most of the material we need to purchase, while the detail of the purchase will further explain in the part product analysis. There are the list of components of fruit foldable cart. Thank you. Go to the material, process, and tool. Manufacturing process for body frame, we use SH steel and rod my steel. Flat bar my steel is measured and cut into the desired size before welding. Then welding process is applied to combine each of part had been cut with desired design. Second, movement system. We use DC motor. The DC motor is connected with SHS steel rod at the gear system by welding. This is to ensure that the system can operate wisely. Third, gear system. The gear is measured and make sure that the diameter is same as the SHH steel rod. Then the gear is welded with the steel rod as the design as, and then put the chain with the gear. Fourth, wheel holder. First, we will sketch some shape on the plate based on the planning. Next, we will fabricate it become a wheel holder. Then it will be welded to make it permanent. That's it. Thank you.
So here I will explain about the development cost. Development cost is the cost needed in order to develop our product. As we can see in the slide, we need DC motor, timing belt, canvas, DC motor brush, square steel bar, circle steel bar, steel rod, flat solid rubber caster, battery, and the last one is bolt and nuts. We already make research in order to know the latest price of each of the material. So for the material cost is 560 ringgit. So we go to the second one which is labor cost. Marking, cutting, drilling, welding, finishing and assembling. The total for the labor cost is 144 ringgit. So at the grand total we plus both of them and we get 700 ringgit. So 700 ringgit is the development cost for fruit foldable cart.
Next, project plan. The table shows the project plan from week 1 until week 14.
In conclusion, fruit foldable cart can definitely help people, especially fruit collectors. The price is in line with the facility provided by the product. Besides, this project will show us that how technology can bring a positive impact to community. Hopefully, this product fits with our task project, which is Malaysia Prihatin. Indeed, this project surely will give a big impact and it will be accepted by all generations.
Okay, that's all from us. Thank you.